Yo, what's up guys? Just wanted y'all to check out these new 2014/2015 Down for Sound hoodies, sporting the all new logo on the front and the new design on the back. Also has the sleeve work and the certified base head on the hood. Check out the link below and place your orders today. Alright guys, well the Sundown ZV4 is about to get his new home. And little TERRACINA's Raptor over here, he's finally upgrading to something good. He's been playing around with a bunch of different subs in his truck, so gonna get him hooked up with the ZV4 and see what we can do there. He might have to upgrade his power a little bit in the future, but it should hold down pretty good for what he's got going right now. So let's get this thing out of here and put it in its new home. Oh, we got the 12 put in little TERRACINA's truck. Getting out pretty good for 1,500 watts.
I'm doing it for the king. I'm doing it for them. I'm hoping you'll understand. And then I go
Sounds real good on that side. But yeah, he's got the Robert Fosgate 1500. I mean 1000 actually on there. So I told him in the future when he gets some extra money or something, maybe for Christmas, he can get a bigger amp and really get that thing moving. We're gonna let him roll out with his new system. Let him roll out with his new system. Hope you had fun with it. I know I did. I think he'll be happy with it. He's cheesing from ear to ear, so he should be good. All right, brother. Well, we'll see you, man.